Make a Bible Go Fish game. Go Fish is a popular kids game as it is easy to teach and can be enjoyed by a lot of people. You can even customize the game as a teaching aid, like for improving a kid's math or vocabulary. You can also customize it to let kids know more about the Bible, or as part of a Sunday school activity. If you want to know how to make a Bible Go Fish game, here are the things you need to do. Ready the cards. You can purchase ordinary cards that you can use to play Go Fish from bookstores or groceries, or you can print out pre-made Go Fish cards that you can find online. However, make sure that the cards are appropriate for the age of the kids. Do not use poker playing cards or those that display inappropriate images. List the Bible verses to use. Identify the Bible verses that you'll use for the game. Categorize the verses based on the virtues that you want the kids to learn, like love, joy, peace, or hope, among others. You can even prepare verses that you can use for different sets of topics over a number of months based on your specific series. Ready the cards. Count the number of kids that you have in your class. Afterwards, count the number of cards that you'll need for the game. Each kid should have 4 Go Fish cards on hand at the beginning of the game and a few more cards in the card pool. Print out the Bible verses based on the number of cards and print out the grouping or categories as well. For instance, if you have 4 groups, you can assign love for group 1, joy for group 2, peace for group 3, and hope for group 4. Paste the verses and the groupings on the cards. The goal of the game is to have each member of the group get 4 card pieces of the same category. For instance, if you have 4 members on each group, you'll need 16 printouts of each category and 16 verses that correspond to each category. If possible, you can print out the cards in a hard paper so you don't need to paste anything. Enjoy the game. Have the kids divide themselves into groups to start the game. Shuffle the cards so each kid will have a random set of cards. Let them identify which category they want to complete. Give them a few minutes to look in each verse until they decide on what they want. Afterwards, let the game start. Each kid will ask the one beside him/her if that person has the category required, like do you have love? If yes, that person should provide the card with that category to the person who asked for it. If not, he/she should tell the person who asked for it to go fish. The kids who completed 4 cards of the same category complete the game. You can make customized holders for the cards so the kids can take them home as their memory verse. Making a Bible Go Fish game is easy to do. You can even customize the instructions to meet your needs. For instance, instead of random choosing, you can group the kids and provide them the category that they have to complete.